The structure and function of a compound microscope. Wherever we are, there are small organisms present that we cannot see. Microscopes help us observe the structures of these very small and microscopic organisms. First, we'll start by talking about the eyepiece. The eyepiece is always 10x, meaning that it magnifies an object 10 times its regular size. Then we have the arm and the base. When we move a microscope, we hold on to the arm and we put our hand under the base. Before we start using a microscope, always make sure to turn it on using the on and off switch. Once the light is on, you can adjust the amount of light that goes into the microscope using the diaphragm. The stage is where you place your microscope slide and you put the stage clips on top of the slide to hold it in place. Next, we have the objective lenses, which are attached to the revolving nose piece. Always start with the smallest and lowest power objective lens. In order to calculate your total magnification, multiply the number that is written on the objective lens by the number 10, which is written on the eyepiece. So in this scenario, the total magnification would be 10 times 4x, which is 40x. So that means that the object appears to be 40 times larger than it normally is. Now let's look at the coarse focus and fine focus knobs. The coarse focus is originally used with the lowest objective lens to make large changes in your focus. Once you change your objective lens to a higher magnification, you will only use the fine focus in order to bring the image into focus. If you use the coarse focus while on a higher objective lens, there is a chance that you will break your slide. And there you have it, the parts of a microscope.